paint a picture of the perfect spring day. Come on! Hello, glorious child. I am Mother Nature. What can I paint for you today? An icy winter morning or a hot summer afternoon, perhaps? I was looking for something a little more... springy? Well, yeah. How did you know? I have my ways, kitten. You want a painting that captures spring. Now stand back, child, and I'll do my thing. That should do it. A perfect spring day. I think there's something wrong with this picture of spring. Really? It doesn't look like the perfect spring day. Let's help Mother Nature out. What doesn't belong in this picture of spring?
The snowman! The snow!
Right. Snow belongs in winter, not spring.
Of course. Let's try that again. You wanted spring, and I gave you snow. I'll make it right, and here we go. Here you go, sweetie. A perfect spring day.
Mother Nature, there's still something wrong with this spring picture.
Really?
Yep. Let's help Mother Nature out. What doesn't belong in this picture of spring?
The leaves!
Right. In spring, the leaves are green and they're on the tree, not on the ground.
Oh, that's true. You wanted green leaves, and I gave you orange. Now let's try again, and I'll... nothing rhymes with orange. I think I've done it. This is the perfect spring day.
That looks right. Except... may I?
Sure, doll. It took a few tries, but I have to say, we have created the perfect spring day.